Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Iis Cahyati. I am from the Math Education Study Program of Kuningan University. In this opportunity, I would like to present natural user interface to teach math on higher education. First, I will explain to you about abstraction from this journal. Abstract, a common and known problem among students on higher education, is the difficulty of learning math. Nowadays, the teaching methods for learning math remain relatively the same, though with the emerging of new technologies like portable device and movement interaction device, learners and teachers have big interest on new ways of interacting that potential to facilitate new ways on computer and hack learning. This have potential to enhance classroom interaction by increasing learners' participation, facilitating the teacher's presentation, and creating opportunities for discussion. Then, I will explain why natural user interface is so important for us. In introduction, science education is closely linked to the creation of information and communication of knowledge. It is not surprising that the information and communication technology present great opportunities in education. Natural user interface offer a great potential to facilitate new ways of computer and enhance learning. These have the potential to enhance classroom interaction by increasing learners' participation, facilitating the teacher's presentation, and creating opportunities for discussion and creating of significant opportunity for discussion same with the real world. By nature of mathematics have an area of significant opportunity for natural user interface. This presentation presents the development of a prototype and its evaluation to support the teaching of mathematics for engineering that allow the use of natural user interface after the scheme of user-centered design. This is motivated by the existence of six technologies to be used in universities for teaching, learning, research, and creative expression. Among them, gesture-based computing with an estimate time of adoption of 5 and 4 and 5 years. And the methodology used in this journal is context of the use. What is context of the use? The context of the use is determined as a result of a process of direct observation and interviewing those who could be potential users of the application. Mathematics teachers working with groups of different levels. 2. Design. The design comes from the need felt by teachers who for several years have taught and have experienced benefits and limitations of various tools used in the classroom. They suggest some points according to their experience. We can see the pictures. And 3. Prototype. In the first prototype, raises two different scenarios. The first one covers the topic of function, their identification and graphing. The second one covers algebra topics. And for evaluation. Evaluation. Once finished the first prototype, we process it to perform a preliminary evaluation, which focused on the ease of use of the application and its user experience. And next, preliminary evaluation. A first prototype was created to test the reaction of students when a system with natural interaction is presented to him. The way he might interact with it and see if it generates any interest in the user. We call it this prototype made natural user interface. Testing the first prototype. The potential advantage of natural user interaction cannot be perceived until they are situated in an interaction context. To explore the feasibility of the conceptual design, a preliminary evaluation was conducted, testing the scenario of use and the prototype with three students from the School of Telematics of the University of Colima. These evaluations were video recorded and photographed. The technology accepted model or TAM was used. 20, 25 students were men and 75% women. 100% are software engineering students. 66% of them said that they had not used systems with natural interaction. Finally, you will know the result from the research. First, results of TAM. Uh, the purpose of TAM to explain and see the user's perception of usability and ease of use from system technology. For the perception of ease of use, 80% believe that the system is easy to use. 60% agree it's easy to learn, while 40% strongly agree and 60% agree that it's clear and understandable. And then in the area of the utility perception of the responders, 60% believe that the system is efficient. 40% said it improved their performance, while 80% said it improved their productivity and and 80% believe that was useful. Regarding the attitude towards the use, a positive response was obtained for the system. 80% agree that it seemed a good idea its software. Finally, the answer on the intended use. 80% of the users say they would use the system in their courses, use it again, and have the intention of use it. SUS, or System Usability Scale, has proved to be a robust and reliable evaluation and correlates well with the usability metrics. The result exposed a frequency of the distribution of SUS scores in the system usability scale is going in the right. Why? Because 100% of the participants consider their needs satisfied with this platform. Between 61 and 100 points of satisfaction. The conclusion of this journal is this work presents the creation of a natural user interface math learning system called MathNui at the University of Colima for learning mathematical concepts through the use of natural user interaction. Platform evaluation gave results that the platform is useful and allows a greater performance and efficiency, and it is also considered a good idea. Thus, this irritated good intention in the study of using it again. As a general conclusion, we can say that the use of natural user interface to develop math application for education is adequate. Okay, that's all from me. I would like to apologize if there is a mistake and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.